Do you have issues with your bruise smudging? I totally understand. I've been there. When I started, I had issues with making bruise effect last long without smudging. I will share with you 3 methods to prevent it from smudging. 2 you can apply on cream-based bruise oil, while the last I consider the best. So let's start with it. First, seal it. After applying the bruise makeup, seal it with generous sprays of setting spray.
Why?
This helps the makeup last longer, even under sweat or moisture, because most times people sweat depending on the type of skin. See down below, I'll show you a procedure on how I did mine. 2. Layer with powder. After each layer of bruise makeup, lightly dust translucent setting powder over the area. What does this do? This helps absorb excess moisture, increasing the longevity of the makeup. But 3. Use alcohol activated makeup, which I consider the best because there is no need for you to even apply powder, or there's no need to apply sealant. Consider using alcohol activated makeup for your bruising effect. Once applied and activated with alcohol, this type of bruise will incredibly stays and is resistant to smudging or even fading. Like it stays as long as you want it to stay without even smudging. And there you have it. Remember to use these hacks to make your SFX bruise last longer, whether you're creating bruises for fame, theater, cosplay, or even for content. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow me. See you next time. Bye.